Good morning. Let's find a good trade. Hopefully a winning trade. We like these kind of candles. Big wicks. If it looks like that, 4.5 minutes. Okay, let's go like this. Show me where price is. Go over here. See if we're seeing anything. I need this, of course. I mean, what day is this? Fridays? Yeah, it's worth taking notice of these. Some of these tops. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, do a little back testing while I wait. Let's go to another chart. Okay, let's get a replay mode, September 18th. Oh shoot, I didn't put the final date on my backtesting sheet. That's the 18th. Let's see if there's 19th and 20. You know what? I don't really use this much anymore. That's probably the 19th. Oh. Oh, going backwards. That's right, yeah. Let's just call this the 17th. flip back, check the live chart. So we are at, oh, we gotta get ready here. See, backtesting can be distracting. Depending how this candle closes, we're right at yesterday's high. I like that, but not, this isn't there. But if it shot down at the last second, red, I'm in, bro. So not yet, that's cool. And I would like the wave trend to get into an oversold. My new tool, freaking love it. Yeah, this tool's freaking incredible. I love it. For the style of trading I do. Okay. What do we do here? Here's my back testing. Okay. Good stuff. th. We'll call this the 18th. Or 16th. Oh, frick. Oh, that's deceiving. Gives you the green and the bottom. Doesn't push through. Did it get to half bar though is the question. Yeah, interesting. Alright, I was trying to prove a case to not have to go to break even, but so far my back testing is showing. This is my, I mean, I think your wins and losses are similar. Wait, you're up 6% if you just left it. You're up 8% if you went to break even and you had 0 drawdown. So far that's working. I hate going to break even. It's weird, I know. I don't like it. Okay, we got 2 minutes till this candle closes. Just give it a good look again. So it's awesome that we're at yesterday's daily high. Okay. Tools are very conflicting right now. Also, this is a ginormous candle. You know I don't like those. I don't like it to give away too much of the move. It gave me a pullback. I believe that's going to be my signal. No, it's not ideal, man. Cool. Just a little market research. Oh, was it red? Freaking right. Nice job. Yeah, best I saw, this doesn't do really well in the 1 minute. Yeah, let's just do it's hitting the bottom of this range. This is a pass for me. See you later. This tool though, man, like, man. Okay, I'm losing the track here. It's the 15th. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. It friggin' called the top again. Now, that was a messy trade to be in, but like, I don't think this stopped me out. Because I usually go just above it. Anyways, what are we seeing for set of tweezers? This is pre-market, so. Yeah, I still want to record the idea though that it ruined the winner. However, it could have stopped the out. No, I would never put my stop right on though. I just don't. I don't put my stops right there. I always put my stops a bit higher. Didn't hit it. I mean, slippage could have filled it. I don't know. Okay. All right, 3 minutes on this candle. What's forming? Yeah, nothing here as well. This is the one thing I like about the 5 minute. After I do a big stretch, is there's like time and space to just keep everything chill, because you don't have to make decisions until the next 5 minutes. It's gotta form, it's gotta play out. And I already know, right, yesterday's high, we're conflicted with this signal. I'm not gonna have a signal till at minimum 7 a.m. So, continue to backtest. Let's do it. Okay, what are we on the 11th? That's a lot of wicks. I'd fully take that. So the question is, here we go. Okay, that one ruined a winner. You got in at the close here. It went up. Kissed your entry again. Went to a winner. So on the 10th, this is where I want to see the numbers play out. Ruined the winner. What are we at? 6%? 7%. It's only slightly better right now for the break even. And look at, you thought you had a winner, it ruined it. But then it saved these three. Ruined it, ruined it, ruined it. 3 different trades. I don't like that feeling. But we're in this to make money. Drawdown's not fun. When you get to a big account, not fun at all. So the question is it a safer way to trade? You would think the answer is obvious, but not necessarily. Well, this song's too slow. That's an interesting idea. Why is my calculator not opening? Can I help you? Dude, open the calendar. Okay, okay, there we go. I'm just doing some fun math here for a second. See, yeah, that's not sexy. go back to live for a second. I was researching something. I don't want to get distracted. Okay. So, I like to trade wicks. This wick followed through. Anyways, I don't know what I'm saying. Just that I would rather see a reaction up here. We're yesterday's daily high, so we consider it extended. There's some resistant levels up here where price stopped, and that's about it. Right here, it was just conflicted. Like, it doesn't know what's going on right now. I don't want to take that trade. I freaking love this tool. It helps keep me a little grounded. who's on the stream? Sorry, man, I was researching something, and I didn't even see you there. Are you a returning viewer or a new viewer? If you're new, tell me what's going on, man. How long you been trading? And what do you trade? Sorry, that's the thumbnail I'm working on. Strictly trading ES or nothing else. How about yourself? Yeah, I trade US 30. I'm on Forex still. So I think that would be, I don't even know what that is on futures. I don't trade futures. I gotta focus up here for 1 sec. I was considering, 1 sec, getting golf. We're at yesterday's high. Give me a sec. That's cool, man, though. 4 years. Nice. Technically SPX or SPY. Yeah, ES is NAS, right? So MES, I don't know. What is MES? Is that micro? NAS 100? NASDAQ? SPX. Yeah, I think US 30 is the Dow Jones is what I'm trading. You know what? I think I'm going to take this. I don't love it. Yeah, micro. Yeah, cool, man. Love it. How's the journey going? What stage are you in? Unprofitable, kind of break even, getting there. And what do you roughly trade? Oh, and while I'm asking this, I'm on the fence about trading off these levels. Right, yesterday's high. But I'm generally just taking an engulfing trade. I would like something else. This song is too slow to be on my stream. We're gonna cut it. Super torn. This would be the idea. Because we're at yesterday's high and we've had an engulf. Yeah, it's not generally what I love. But I'm getting antsy for a trade. Well, let's say break even now, but the issue I've been having is holding my trades because of fear. Mind you, I have a trading plan set up well. But the issue I've been having is holding my trades. Okay. In your back testing, have you found holding your trades is the key to profitability? I'm asking that because I'm a one-to-one trader. So in my trades, I have back tested generally, not now. It would take thousands of hours to back test it on every single play I take. But when I look at the 1R, 1.5R, 2R, 3R, 4R, every time you go to the higher R's, by definition, your win rate's going to drop. So you're going to go into higher drawdown on your prop firms. And so I got to a place where it was either the same profitability or pretty dang close to just do 1R, because your win rate's higher, which my win rate's still not super high. It's like 60-ish, depends on the month, which is about 4% a month if you're 60% win rate and you take a trade a day at 1%. So that's where I'm just curious. But I'm very much scalping style, but not like 30-second, 1-minute scalps. It's on the 5-minute time frame. And if you've never seen my channel, I am going to encourage you. Have you tried? Okay, would this be a true statement? You could just, for easy typing, you could say yes or no. Do you think you're unprofitable or break even, whichever one, because of any of the following? Do you ever move or cancel stop losses that you shouldn't have done that? Or you take more trades in a day or risk more than you should have? Does that ever happen? And I came to a conclusive, like I was able to conclude that is why I wasn't profitable. Like you could pick almost any strategy, and I think if you stick to it, yes. Okay, dude, please try this. Please try this. This one thing, not clickbait YouTube title. This truly one thing took me from hemorrhaging money and just losing money to, no joke, this year profitable. I can show you my prop firm account. It's not wildly profitable. If it was on a $200,000 challenge, it'd be a lot of money. Or I moved to S, or I moved my stop loss. Okay, dude. Try this. Like, this could be the moment that changes your trading forever if you try this. Walk away from the computer. I'm not kidding. You're going to witness me when I get a signal, which I thought about taking that. Place your trade. Have your stop loss. And this is the thing. Laugh my ass off. No, dude. I'm freaking serious. Like, it's funny, but it's also like, you've heard the trading psychologists say, we are hardwired to fail in trading. We're wired to not succeed in trading. The brain hates uncertainty and fear and all these things. And when you're watching your trade play out, there's these emotions flying around that they're not good. Just try for a month or two, placing your trade with your SL and stop loss set. I would start with the 1-to-1, but if your strategy proves that it's better to go further, like a 2R, 3R, go for it. Set it, shut down your platform, and make a commitment as long as your platform still honors the stop loss and profit, like MT4 does. I can close MT4 and it still honors the stop loss, and it'll even move to break even if I tell it to. And then what happens. There's no moving anything. If you're going to move to break even, you have to set that. I do that at half R, or I do that at 1R, and I'm shooting for a 2R profit, and never touch it. And your only commitment is showing up on time, waiting for your signal. Don't overthink it, of course. Place it and get out of there. That made me profitable. I'm not kidding. Yeah, I have 13 years of trading, but that's the habit or process change I made that made me profitable. It's incredible. And my strategy to the average person would be like, this is dumb. But it works, man. And it's not the strategy, it's the process. Because for me, all the blown accounts and lost money was on the losers. Always. And some people, it might not be the losers. Maybe the winners mess you up. And you end up liking the feeling of winning. And then you go take a second or third or fourth trade. If it's not your plan, now we're just gambling. Anyways, that's my sermon for today. Try it. Make it as freaking simple as you can. Your process and your strategy. When you're done placing the trade, immediately close it. If you feel like you want to watch it and there's like a temptation to watch it, I would consider seeing if that's a bad thing. Like dwell on that and be like, is that a good thing that I want to watch it and I'm like excited to watch it, and then if it's losing, I feel these negative emotions. That's gonna be a negative thing for our trading. What happens when you want to scale it up? Like on my channel, I always preach like 4% a month. On a $100,000 challenge is $4,000 a month, or it's $8,000 a month. 4% a month. It's $8,000 a month on $200,000 prop firm challenge once you've passed. What if it was $1 million of capital? What would that be? 40 grand? Yeah, it'd be 40 grand. 4%, 40 grand on $1 million. Okay. Well, what stops you from having $1 million in prop firm capital? Just paying the entry fees. Okay. It's like, this is where my brain goes. Well, you're not going to be able to handle that much capital if, in my opinion, for the way I'm wired, and I think a lot of other guys, if we're watching the trades and playing around with it and moving stop loss, there's no way. But if you got to a place where you were consistently showing up, placing a trade, shutting her down, and not having to experience the wins and losses in the moment, for me, I try to check the result like an hour later. Sometimes I forget, and I'll check my result at the middle of the day and be like, oh, did it win or lose? It was a loser, or it was a winner, and it's like nonchalant because you're kind of out of the moment. So anyways, I feel like the longer we're trading and at the screen, you're in the shark tank. You have to go into the shark tank to get your money, but you don't want to stay in there any longer than you need to. So that's kind of my approach. Try it. Thank you. You're definitely spot on, brother. I appreciate that. I think I'm onto something. My personal results show I'm onto something. I'm even going to show you, man, and this is nothing to do with boasting. I hate cocky boasting guys, but it's so hard to see what's genuine out there, like who's just completely fake. So I'm just logging into my prop firm account. I just want to show you. This is what I currently have. Oh. Also, I don't think I'm going to get a trade today. Unless this gives me a nice red candle with 2 top wicks. I'll take that. Okay, this is my live account, and this is my challenge account. They're both 6K. So I opened a challenge account to protect the profits in my 6K. But if I go to my live 6K, I think I've had this since November last year. It's in a bit of a drawdown because every time I'm in profit, they pull out the funds. So, yeah, from this one account, where's the payouts? Transactions. No. Huh. Wait a minute. Maybe it only shows on full screen. Oh, payouts. Yeah, okay, this is new for me. I could not show you this last year or the year before. I could only show you tons of money lost. I've pulled out $1,000 on a 6K account. The math on that, if you were on a 200K account, you got to times that by 18, it'd be 18 grand. That's the way my brain works. I go, holy crap, if I scale this up, this is no joke. It's small money right now, but it's not small money when that's a 200K account. You times everything by 18. So anyways, I'm doing it. This year I'm doing it, which is a little wild to think about. And the only reason these numbers are small is because it's a small account. It's a small prop firm account. Because when I'm on YouTube and stuff, I was like, who's just fake? Bunch of fake guys out there hyping things up. And anyways, this is technically my last candle I could take a trade on, because then I usually take off. We'll just see. I'm also in a current war with the 1 minute. I will see things on the 1 minute that I believe I could trade profitably, but it also comes with a lot of noise and like false signals. Messes with me. Not quite what we're looking for. If this closed a little lower and engulfed the other candle, we'd have something there. Yeah, so I got a family, young kids. I have to go be a dad. Thanks for joining though, bro. I'm trying to do these consistently, so should be good. Maybe the stream will grow. Have some people in here. And peace out, dude. Thanks for joining. Man, I don't want to take a trade, but I don't think I can justify this. I did get one of my signals. I'll talk about this on another channel video. This thing is freaking awesome. It's awesome. Good tool. Okay, but I don't see anything worth taking. Peace out.